Alright, so here is the view as you're walking in the front door. As y'all know, we were in the process of selling our house. We ended up taking out all of our like personal photos from throughout the house. So that's why it kind of looks a little plain with the decor. This wall here, we used to have some mixed tiles that kind of showed just some of our adventures, places that we've traveled to. This little welcome sign, one of my family members gave it to us. I just ended up sticking it up there. This console table here we got from Nebraska Furniture Mart. Some marketing brochures for when people come to see the house. This here is where we keep like the mail that's coming in so I can sort through it and it has a place not just like all over the house. Then, yes, Juju. And then of course y'all saw this hey y'all sign I got from At Home. And another thing I want to talk about first is this tile. So this is a wood floor-like tile and it is by Marazi. And the color is Caraway. It's part of the Knoxwood collection and we love it. It's going in our new home as well and it is just gorgeous. This door is 8 feet tall. Where the peephole was going to be was just way too tall for me. So we ended up getting this digital viewfinder. As you first walk into the house, here is my home office, which I finally finished painting. So over here, this is just some random file cabinet that we got. I don't know where it's from. This is an IKEA bookshelf and all the stuff that is on there just organizes my different paper supplies. So a lot of it is from Home Goods. These pink boxes right here are from Target. They're part of the Sugar Paper LA collection. So a few other things I love is this tissue box holder. It's like a marble look. This is just kind of a fun mug that I got from some random store online. It's a cool world. Love that. From Home Goods, I had more stuff on it, but because people are walking in and out of the house, I wanted to take away any sensitive type of things. My computer tower, my printer, my shredder, my wastebasket, and that's just my bag for work. The mirror back there is from Home Goods. The desk is Nebraska Furniture Mart. The desk chair is from World Market. The stool, I think, is from Home Goods or TJ Maxx. Then this here is from Home Good. So as you leave the office, you walk into just the open living space. So we love this floor plan because of how open it was. The formal dining area. Painting there is from At Home. Buffet is from Nebraska Furniture Mart. So is the table. The chairs are from IKEA and then we reupholstered with that chevron print from Joann. Decor on top of the buffet, a lot of it's from At Home. Some stuff from Home Goods. I think Mike got these from Target when they were on sale. That's just a random closet. This used to be Juicy's spot, but because of our showings, we ended up taking down like the dog picture there and putting her area away. These side tables also from At Home. The couches I got from Nebraska Furniture Mart, and I love just having it open like this where they are parallel to one another. The coffee table is IKEA. Pillows are from Target. IKEA, this is where I take a lot of my outfit photos. That mirror is from Nebraska Furniture Mart. I have my Diva ring light. TV is Sharp. This nifty little ladder that I put our blankets on. So the pink one is from Nordstrom, and then the white and gray one is from At Home. I'm sorry, from Home Goods. And then this bookcase is also from Nebraska Furniture Mart, and we just put some knickknacks and random things on it. I never finalized like how I wanted the decor to be here, but this is what it ended up being, and I'm totally okay with it. So up here is just a keepsake from our wedding, and our realtor said it was fine to keep that up there, so we did. Basket here I got from Tuesday Morning. We just have our extra pillows there. And then this rug is from Home Goods. It's an indoor-outdoor rug, so we will probably be putting it on the patio of the new house. Tray from Hobby Lobby. And I like putting the remote controls in this acrylic square cup thing. Just keeps them all together versus them being laid out and about everywhere. The coasters are from Nordstrom. And then this is just like a pillow spray. I think you're supposed to use it when you go to sleep at night, but I like it down here because I'll spray it every now and then just to refresh the smell of anything that has cloth. All right, moving on into the kitchen area. This nook table, we usually have it actually up against the island because the island's pretty small, but we moved it for the showings. And we got this from Cons Furniture. This here is where Juicy eats and drinks. I put that away whenever people come to see the house. And here is our kitchen. So this is actually like a Formica countertop. It's, as you can see, dark gray, and we always intended to change it out, but that hasn't happened since we've been here, and now we're moving. Sink, we love it. It's by Blanco. It's a stone type of material. Fell in love with it and needed it whenever we were building, so we got that. I mean, we're still getting this same type of material. It's just now a big sink with no divider. We upgraded to the single faucet as well. The tray I got from Home Goods. I have just some Dawn dish soap that we put like in a little foamer. Crabtree and Evelyn, lavender and espresso hand wash and lotion. Got this spoon rest I think from Home Goods. These ones Mike found and they are motion centered, so that's really cool. And then over here I have my Nespresso machine, which I love. Let me turn this off. And typically, if we weren't having showings, I would also have my Aerochino on the counter, but because people were here very recently, I ended up putting that away. And then this fridge we have absolutely loved. We're not bringing it with us to the new house, but we have definitely loved it and highly recommend it. It is the LG that has like the pass-through thing here. It's just been a really good fridge, very deep freezer as well, so we have loved that. And then finally, you walk into the pantry laundry room, which funny enough, the light is in here, not on the outside, which you would think. So if you watched my declutter with me, you already saw, but here on the left side is the laundry room part. So just the laundry table that Mike built himself, and then the washer and dryer. Extra home stuff is at the top of it. This is what the pantry looks like now that it's actually organized, and we have loved it. It's really cool having just like a really large walk-in pantry, but then at the same time, when you have more space, you have a lot more opportunities to make a mess. Powder room. Wastebasket is from Home Goods, and then Mike installed these like glass shelves, and he got that from IKEA. We really love this open concept so that you could be in the kitchen and you could see like everything pretty much downstairs, and it's all living space. This is the landing here. And it kind of branches off into the different rooms. So I got that from TJ Maxx up north in New England. First room as you walk in, I had to have these French doors. I love them. Here you have our huge master bedroom. So these blackout curtains we got from, I think, Target. Here's our bed, it's a king size. That ottoman is from Home Goods. Lamps are from Nebraska Furniture Mart. I have another one of those tissue holders right there. And then the dressers are from IKEA. One of our favorite things is this huge fan, which is great during the hot summers here in Texas. And we found these from Lowe's. This dresser we got from Ashley Furniture, the discount section when we first moved in together. It has a lot of sentimental value for me. And then on top of there, we just have like a little pug dish thing and a Henry Bendel infuser, which is out and they no longer are in business, so that stinks. So then you walk into the master bathroom, which again, huge. I have loved having our separate sink and bath, like vanity. And we opted to have just one huge shower. We didn't want to have a shower and tub combo, which we are changing in our new house. Back there is just a linen closet that is very messy. This Mike made for me from one of my birthdays. I love it so much. Down here I have a little stool, which I almost never use. And then the commode. So then you walk into what would traditionally be the master closet, and it's a really nice sized master closet. So this is how big it would be on this side as well, and I will show you guys what is through that door here in a second. Next room, if you are in the landing, turn to the right, and here is the media room. And if you guys got to see what it used to look like before Mike took a bunch of stuff down, then you were lucky to see it. But this is where Mike plays his video games, and then where we also have movie night. And it's a very big sized room. And then back here he had this like bar area that we have since given away. There's also a nice sized closet here in the media room, but it's just our crap closet. So as you go down this hallway, we used to have pictures up here from the wedding, but we took that down for the showing. So you go down this way, and here is just a guest room where my Lola stayed, and it was gonna be a baby's room whenever we had babies, but that'll be in the new house. This is our Christmas closet, as you can see. Has all of our Christmas stuff, and it is a walk-in closet. Every single one of them are walk-ins, which is nice. You have the guest bathroom, which we upgraded to have a garden tub in here. And yes, that's what it looks like. Haven't really done anything to this room, and I'm not going to anymore. But anyways, this is some bubble bath from Laura Mercier, and it comes with a cute little like honey dipper thing. Got this from my sister for Christmas. I think one of our other family members gave us that candle holder for Christmas or something like that a while back. And that is what the cabinets look like. And this flooring here is actually vinyl. This is what our downstairs actually was for a long time before we upgraded. So yeah. Right. And then finally in here is my dressing room, which I will be doing a full dressing room tour here shortly. But here is a little look. An island that Mike made for me. And this side here is all from the Container Store, a little bit from IKEA. And again, it's a nice size closet to walk in if it wasn't filled with my stuff I'm hiding during showings. We added this door, which goes into our master closet. And that is our furnished home tour. I hope y'all enjoyed it. If you did, please be sure to give the video a thumbs up. I would greatly appreciate it. Don't forget to be a part of our subby fam because we would love to have you. And there will be a lot more home decor type of videos in the future as we finish building our new home. I hope y'all have a great week, and I'll see y'all in my next video.